G'day everybody, welcome to the Shed Workshop Wednesday. As I said last Saturday, this is going to be this week's piece. Banksia bowl. It is 300 millimeters or 12 inches in diameter. So it'll just fit on the 1220. Currently it is about, where are we? 110 millimeters or 110 millimeters, about 4 inches, 4 1/3 inches, 4 3/8, whatever you want to do. I don't do these imperial measurements very well. So, as I showed yesterday, we've got, where is it? It's the other side. We've got a little crack here. So, I'll be turning down past that. It does extend past the pith a little bit, but hopefully you still get a decent bowl out of this. Process will be, I've got my VM 120 chuck on there with the 7-inch, I think it is. 7-inch jaws. They will grip in here. So I'll put it on there, I'll true up the foot, turn the outside, level that up, true that up, and get a bit of a shape on it. Then I will turn it round, face off the top down past the crack, and do the inside. So thanks for coming along, and let's get it spinning. Half-inch spindle gouge. And now mark for a foot, I'm going to go, it's 300 mil, so rule of thirds. This will go on to either the step jaws on the 120 or the 100 mil shark jaws. So I'm going to mark that out and then turn the foot and then finish off the outside. Okay, now it's time for sanding, so I won't make you watch all that. I'll sand 120 through to 240 as per usual. So that's the outside sanded now to 240, beeswax and tung oil, and we'll turn it round. Okay, we've got it turned around. First thing we're going to do is face off the top, get that flat past the crack. Then I'll just check my depth and then we'll start doing the middle. Got my trusty 1/2 inch bowl gouge, but I probably haven't got enough length in that to get into the bottom, so I'll have to pull a different one out. So pretty happy with that. Just going to refine the bottom a little bit with the scraper, and then be ready for sanding. It's okay, I'm not really going to make you watch the sanding. Okay, that's power sanded through to 240, tongue oil, beeswax, finish, and then we'll have a look at it. So here we have it, twice turned Banksia bowl. Some lovely grain and figure through that, lovely colours. Finished with tongue oil and beeswax. It's finished up at 280, I think. Yep, 280, so just over 11 inches. And 90 millimetres deep, so that's, where are we? About 3 3/4 inches. Pretty happy with that. One of the bigger pieces I do. And I said I wanted to do some bigger pieces this year, so here's one. That's come up very nicely, and I'm very happy with that. Just a nice big fruit or salad bowl, whatever you want to use it for. Thank you very much for coming along and having a look at Workshop Wednesday this week. Please like, subscribe, share, do all those nice things, and I will see you next week.